What up YouTube, it's OpsMiller85 again, here we go. I'm going to do the unboxing of a revolver case. Hoping for something like this. This is always nice, I kinda like that P90. Just gonna go ahead and do it, one skin, one win, let's get it. Ooh, baby. Stat track, Crimson Web revolver. That looks so sexy. Well, let's see what wear it is. Shit, that is awesome. And the field tested. That's just excellent. I'm gonna go ahead and do both teams. Let's see how much it's worth. Hoping for like a $20. And yeah, it looks like about $11. Looks like it's going down drastically. If I sell it now, I'll probably get the best offer on it, but I think I'm going to hold on to it. It looks really nice. Thanks for tuning in. OpsMiller85.